Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we got cruise news for you for February the 2nd of 2022, and we got a couple of different stories today. We got a Royal Caribbean story, we got a Norwegian Cruise Line story, and we have a Carnival Cruise Line story, and we're going to start with Royal Caribbean. So, Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas, we know she had 3 weeks of sailings canceled due to Omicron. Well, she is officially back in service and sailing again with paying passengers. Now, one of the things that Royal Caribbean had done with Symphony of the Seas is they were using her as a place to isolate and quarantine for crew members who were testing positive for COVID-19. They were kind of using it like a hospital ship, a quarantine ship. The crew that was on Symphony of the Seas could be rotated off to fill in some of the other gaps and spaces that were needed throughout the fleet. But now she is back in service, and this is a good sign. It simply means Royal Caribbean is no longer needing the space in order to house positive crew members, which to me is an indicator that the number of COVID cases amongst the crew is definitely going down. It's definitely getting a lot better, and they're able to put this ship back into service. Norwegian Cruise Lines. Now, they have extended their future cruise credit final date. For any guests that had cruises booked in 2020, they received future cruise credit for those cruises, and that had already been extended one time, and this last extension had brought it out till January the 31st. So Norwegian has extended the book by date. And now the future cruise credits are valid through December 31st of 2022. And this, of course, will allow guests that have future cruise credit a little more time, kind of take their time to decide what cruise they want to go on, a little more time. That way they don't expire and they don't lose those future cruise credits. Now, while the future cruise credit date did change to December the 31st of 2022, the sail-by date is still also December 31st of 2022. So that is something to keep in mind, that if you have any Norwegian Cruise Lines future cruise credits, while the date to book a cruise has been extended, the date to use them by, or to sail by, has not been extended. And finally, we have a Carnival Cruise Line story, and it looks like we're going to play a little bit of moving some ships around here. We're going to have some changes to ship locations, where they're going to sail from. No itinerary changes, no date changes, just some kind of moving ships around, a little bit of a shell game here. So first up, Carnival has delayed the restart of the Carnival Sensation. Not real sure what's going on with the ship. We saw it in Galveston here just 2 weeks ago. Not looking that good. A little rusty, a little worn down. Looked like she was definitely in need of some dry dock. My understanding is right now she's over in Miami. Not looking a whole lot better. Not real sure what the future for the Carnival Sensation is going to be, but her restart has been delayed, and it looks like possibly indefinitely at this point. Now, we all know Australia has been delayed over and over and over again, and there is no current restart plans for cruising back in Australia, at least not at this time. So the Carnival Spirit, which normally sails out of Australia, well, she is going to be brought back to the United States. So when the Carnival Spirit comes back, she is going to go to Jacksonville, and she is going to pick up the itineraries for the Carnival Ecstasy. The Carnival Ecstasy is going to go from Jacksonville to Mobile, Alabama, and is going to pick up the itineraries for the Carnival Sensation. So the Carnival Sensation was supposed to restart on March the 5th from Mobile, Alabama. Now it's going to be the Carnival Ecstasy, same date, March 5th from Mobile, with the Carnival Spirit picking up itineraries out of Jacksonville starting on March the 7th. So like I said, no cancellations, no itinerary changes from these changes, just a shell game with the ships as they move them around into their best positions. And we're going to kind of have to see what the plan is going to be for the Carnival Sensation. Last time I saw her, she definitely looked like she was in need of a dry dock. Alright, and that is going to be our cruise news for today. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, smash that like button. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.